Yummy, yummy, yummy for your tummy. Yummy, yummy. Yummy, yummy, yummy for your tummy. Yummy, yummy, yummy for your tummy. Love Kitchen. Today I'm going to be reading Psalms 19 verse 7. The law of the Lord is perfect, converting the soul. The testimony of the Lord is sure, making wise simple. Amen. Today I'm going to be making some pigtail rice and peas. This is going to be a one-pot meal. As you can see, my water is boiling, and these are all my ingredients: my coconut milk, my kidney bread peas, garlic. Look at this beautiful pigtail, my brown rice, scallion and thyme, Maggi cube, black pepper, all-purpose seasoning. So we're just gonna go ahead and scald off these pigtail. And you want to make sure that you get rid of the excess amount of salt. Just gonna allow that to just boil. Then I'm gonna do it another time. Guys, I scald the pigtail 2 times. Now I'm gonna add my kidney peas and my garlic. Just gonna allow my peas to just cook. On the peas, the pigtail, make sure that it's cooked. You can see. So now I'm gonna go ahead and add the coconut milk. I'm gonna add my scallion and my thyme, my bell pepper, my green pepper, I must say. So now guys, I'm gonna go ahead and add 2 Maggi cubes. That's 1. And I'm using 5 cups of brown rice. I'm gonna go ahead and add some all-purpose seasoning. 1 teaspoon. Gonna go ahead and add some black pepper. 1 teaspoon also. Want to make sure that you just stir it in. Yummy for your tummy. So now guys, I'm gonna go ahead and add the rice. Sure that I get everything. Okay, now guys, we're gonna check up on this delicious rice and peas with pigtail. Look at that, guys. Yummy for your tummy. Gonna let it steam down some more. And it's time to eat. Okay guys, this is my finishing dish. My pigtail with rice and peas. Quick, delicious one-pot meal. Try this recipe. Remember to tell a friend to tell a friend. Cornelialove is in the kitchen cooking something delicious. Yummy for your tummy. Have a blessed day. See you next time.